20-year durability study, we removed a group of our original windows 2 decades after installation. These were the actual windows that had been in a real home. What did we find? After a full battery of performance tests, the original replacement windows still open and closed as easily as the day they were installed. Our 5X material stayed strong. No cracking, peeling, or chipping. My vinyl windows are only 2 years old, and they're already falling apart. This study means you'll have windows that'll stand the test of time. Not only that, we back our product and our installation with one of the best warranties in the nation. Covers glass, frame, hardware, and installation too.
Save $400 on every window and save $850 on every patio door and entry door with no money down, no monthly payments, and no interest for 12 months. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how good these look. I'm thrilled. Kudos to your team, Dawn. These things were worth it.
There's a Poopy. There's a Poopy. There's a Poopy. Yeah, there's a Poopy. Let me cover it up. I'll have to clean the box when I get you out of there. Okay, he's clean. Hi. Hi, Pickles. Hi. 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 I'm gonna get you out of there. Yeah. Hi. What you doing? Hi, baby. Hi. Hi, Pickles. Hi. Hi. Hi, Pickles. Hi. Hi. Oh, so pretty. Oh, yeah, you're so pretty. Hi, Pickles. Hi. Hi. You gonna stretch your wings? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh, you gonna fly? You gonna fly? You're just a pretty baby. You're just a pretty baby. Oh, your brother's in there mad because he hears me talking to you. Yeah, your brother's in there mad. Yeah, he's mad. He hears Mama talking to you. Yeah. He don't like it. Oh, stretch, baby, stretch. Stretch. Oh, fly, baby, fly. Fly, baby. See, when you don't get held, you learn to do things. You just want me to hold you all the time. Relaxy. Yeah. All right. We're going to cut it off. Bye, baby. Bye, baby.